If you guys follow me on Instagram, you see that I have posted this Power Force vacuum here. Regular price $79 and on the clearance for 48 bucks. Here's what you can see. If you see any of these right here, or these water bottles right here, or these Toss gift sets right here, or this one right here, or this one right here, those are on clearance. These gift sets like these, they're $2, regular price $12.86, and then these right here are bringing up $1. So they got this one as well, $1. They have these, and they have those. They're $1. So great price to save for Father's Day or birthday, or make sure you guys can see if you guys can. I'm sorry. So these are for the 2 water bottles. Okay, for this one, it's this one. This one. It's this one. This one. You see right here. And I think that's about it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this gift set right here. Tool thing. Oh, it's falling apart. Here's a UPC. And the regular price was $10. And now they're ringing up for $5. Just random finds here. They have these electric wipes to clean your phone. They're 70% off alcohol, and they're only ringing up for $1. Here's a UPC. Oh, hopefully you can scan it. And yeah, they're $1. See, it says phone wipes. They were $2.50. They have games, computer games here, as low as $2 for the kiddos, I guess. This is what was this, Bob the Builder? No, that was Bob the Builder. They have these wireless charging for only $2. Protective case, 49 cents. And these have a whole bunch of randomness here, like this gel mount. I guess it'll hold your phone and the cable, and that's $2. We got another protective case here, 25 cents. They have these Avatar drones. They have this one right here for $139. Goes $178. And they have this one right here, which was $129. Now it's $89. And here's the UPC for the $89. And UPC for the one that's $139. Back to the wipes really quick. They have a 50 count and they have a 100 count, or the 100 count. So they're both $1 each. So might as well go with the 100 count. So I found these educational books. Normally they go from $3 or $2.97 right here. They have all the PBS characters, and now I'm turns for $1. They have the Wildcats, Curious George, Pinkalicious, Cyber Chase, you name it. All the PBS Kids characters, they they're all $1. A lot of books. Word Girl. Trying to see if I can find those ABC mouse books. Those are expensive. They're like $7. Trying to see if I can find them for $1 or not. The Odd Squad. All of them all ringing up for $1. Some more. I got Arthur, Luna. Okay, we have these Pioneer Women bows right here, which includes the batter bowl, the mixing bowl, for measuring cups and measuring spoons. Regular price $24.97. There's a UPC, and they're only ring up for $15. Well, I found one here that's been open. See, this is what it brings inside. They also have these Pioneer women sharing plate. Really nice. It's a two-piece. Regular price $19.98 and on clearance for $15. Scan to see if they're not ringing up cheaper. So I found this cute little My Buddy Wheels elephant. Regular price is $39.93, bring up $10. Two one, the little till they get older. Here's a UPC. I found this Melissa and Doug floor puzzle. Regular price $8.88. Now it's $5. There's a UPC. Multi-purpose disinfectant wipes. $1. You see? $1. Okay, so here looking around what else I could find. In another Walmart, I found these right here. The candle and wax cube warmers. Nice. You could either warm the candle jar or the wax squares. Regular price of $12.83, but they're actually ringing up for $5. And I gotta double check this one. I think maybe this one's ringing $5. I'm not sure, but this one I'm positive. And I also found this one right here. Isn't it pretty? I don't know if that's the regular price, $10. I believe so, but they're only ringing out to $3. And I did see another one. Oh, this one. Ooh. This right here, regular price $15. Super cute warmer right here. And these are ringing up for $5. So let me scan this one really quick. $3. Scan this one right here. $5. Scan this one right here. $5. Also the holiday wax, which will be perfect with these. Even a non-holiday one, I think I found a ice cream one. They're all ringing up for 50 cents. I mean, you could wait because they will go down to 25 cents, even 10 cents on some of these, but or at least 25 cents, I'm for sure, because I remember that from last year. But I don't think they will last that long, at least not in my store. I mean, the cheapest I could get them was 25 cents, but I only got a couple, I did get a lot of them at 50 cents. So yeah, short video right there. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.